Hello, hi, namaskara. I'm Rishabh Chatterjee. In this video, I will be sharing an incident of a accident that happened with the Ford Ecosport, and this information was shared with us by Mr. Ashish, and he's the one who met with this accident. And what happened exactly according to him, he has shared his side of the story, is that he was driving in one of the forest roads and there was a lot of fog, and during the fog he couldn't see the road that properly and went and hit a tree. Now you can see the impact, and it looks like the tree hit on the side of the car, and like bumper, fog lights, and the front axle, right side tire axle is completely gone, and you can see that even the tire has completely come out. And but the problem that Mr. Ashish had is that the airbags didn't deploy, and he was severely concerned that he bought this car. This is the Trend Plus, sorry, not Trend Plus, this is the Titanium Plus version, which is like the top end, comes with 6 airbags. And looking at the model that he bought, he was concerned about safety, that's why he bought the top end one. But unfortunately the airbags didn't deploy, and like he was shocked to see, like he also met with some injuries. So he had injuries in his left rib as he was thrown into the steering wheel. Now one thing that I can't confirm exactly is that was he wearing seat belt or not, because in his post you will be able to see now he mentioned seat belt, due to seat belt, but I'm not able to get properly whether he was wearing seat belt or he was not wearing seat belt. So that is one question mark that I have. But the airbags didn't deploy and he was shocked, and that's why he wrote a mail to Ford India. And you can see in the picture there was an email sent back. Like they replied to his email, and what was said is that there are certain points in the front which is where if the impact is, the airbags will deploy. Other than that, the airbags won't deploy. So since the accident that he met with didn't qualify to those conditions, so that's why the sensors didn't actually recognize the impact, and that's why the airbags didn't deploy. But Mr. Ashish, as from his post, looks like he was not convinced by the answer, because if you see, the car fog light and bumper on the side has also gone. So he was concerned that since it has hit that part, that is the front part, so why didn't the airbags deploy? What I think, my perspective is that the tree actually didn't hit, like by few inches, I think missed the sensor, because the major impact looks like has been to the tire and the side part. So maybe because of that. But there was also a post that was shared by him which said that there was some problem with the airbags, and there was a like Ford recalls 20,752 units of Ford Ecosport fault in airbag deployment. Now I didn't know about this, but Mr. Ashish has shared this information, and there were some comments regarding this post, and some of them mentioned that because of the impact it didn't qualify for the airbags to deploy. Some agreed, some didn't agree. I'm showing you on the screen the comments, you can pause and read them. So I just want to know, what are your thoughts? What do you think happened exactly? Why didn't the airbags deploy? So one side, the Ford says, is that because of the side impact it didn't qualify, whereas the owner says that since the fog lights and bumpers have broken off, why didn't the airbags deploy? So this is a question that you might be able to answer. I have told you both the sides of the story, and let me know your thoughts in the comment section below. And I hope you learned something from this video. Like, always stay cautious, try to avoid accidents as much as possible, drive safely, and wear seat belts. Without seat belts, airbags don't work. So if you think airbags will work and you don't wear seat belts, well, it won't. Minimum you need to wear seat belt so that the airbag does the work. And airbags won't work in all cases. There is certain level of impact. Only if it exceeds that, the airbags will deploy. If it doesn't, then the airbags won't deploy. So something I learned from this video, and I wanted to share with you all, and also wanted to know your opinion. So yes, wear seat belts. Let me know your opinion in the comment section below, and like this video so that it reaches more people and more people are aware about conditions and situations like this. Share the video with your friends too, and yeah, that's it. I wanted to share this with you all, And yeah, this is Rishabh signing off, and I hope to see you soon in my next video. Bye bye.